Well, back at Old Warden today. On the off chance really, I just come for a ride and lo and behold I pulled in here and they're getting the planes out. It looks like they're going to be flying them because the weather's so nice. There's Paddington. Had a wonderful ride over again. Really beautiful day, a beautiful sedate ride. Every day I picked him up last Friday and I've been out on him every single day. And honestly, he is just absolutely superb. Wonderful motorcycle. Let's have a wander over here. So there's a mild Manchester, I believe, the furthest one, the young engineers told me. And we've got this other beautiful plane in front of us. I'm not sure what that is. But hopefully they'll be starting them up and they'll be flying them. The tractor just pulls them out the hangar. If you see up there, they've got the vehicles out as well. Beautiful day. Really is a wonderful location. As I said, Old Warden, I've been coming here for years. It's a very special place to me. It's where I brought my children growing up. Just a wonderful location, and I would recommend anyone that if you can come and visit. It's just off the A1 next to Biggleswade. They've got a nice location where you can eat food. Got wonderful food here, really good value, and it all makes it all the more worthwhile because I've got Paddington to ride home on. His little eyes at the top of the above the light even looks like Paddington. Anyway, well, it looks like they're going to start this up. Let's wander over here and have a look. I've had a few comments about the volume, and I know I've got to get the money together so I can afford the correct recording equipment, and hopefully that'll be very soon. I'll be doing that. Move a bit forward, see if we're going to fire this plane up. Lovely day, absolutely lovely day. They have their open days regular over the summer period, and the air shows. Great value for money. I'm really pleased I come over. It was just on the off chance. I thought I'd come for a ride and let me pass by here again just to see if they got any of the planes out the shutters. And there they are. See the elevators on the rear of that plane going up and down. What a job these mechanics have here. You know, they fix them and some of them fly them as well. They're actually pilots and mechanics. Beats walking around the beat of Paddington, I can tell you that much. Anyway, hope you all have a lovely weekend, lovely day. I might visit Haywoods this week, and I think this Saturday they got their Royal Enfield meet. And as I said, bear with me please about the equipment. I'm recording on my tablet. I'm looking into what I need to get to do this properly, and hopefully soon I'll be up and running, and it will the recordings and the volume will be more improved. Let's give it a minute and see if they fire this plane up. Looks like they're priming it. That looks hard work to me. Just lovely, really lovely day. The young man's struggling by the look of it. Perhaps they're not starting it. Okay, we'll wrap up there, and as I say, hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful weekend. Ride safe.